Hi everyone, welcome back to channel again. So hope you guys doing good, safe and sound. So today we are going to learn how to create EC2 instance on a AWS portal. Okay, so I have already logged in here AWS management console. You can logged in. So as soon as you logged in AWS management console, search for EC2. Okay, click on EC2, and as you can see nothing is running here, right? So no any instance. So we'll create a instance in this video. So launch instance. Once you click the launch instance, you you need to fill the couple of things here. So we'll go one by one. So first is like instance name, what you want to keep the instance names. So we'll put like that my first instance. Okay, after that it is asking to which OS image you want to select. We have multiple choice here. Either you can go with Amazon Linux, Mac OS, Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat, SUSE Linux. Okay, so in this series I'm going to choose the Ubuntu. Okay, so click on Ubuntu, and then it is asking always go for the free tier because it is non-chargeable. If you select anything else from this free tier, it is you have to pay the billing. It's like a paid service, right? So subscription you have to choose. So in this series I'm going to select the free tier only because I'm going to deploy a very minimum application, right? So I don't need higher. So click on a free tier. So a free tier means like if you see here the description, the general purpose SSD volume, you will get it, right? Here you can see the instance type. So as I selected the free tiers, and from here you can change the type by clicking here. So I don't want to change because I want to go with the free tier. So it's like I will get the T2 micro, where we will get the one virtual CPU and 1 GB RAM. So if you want more, you can select the others like 2 CPU, 4 GB RAMs, right? But I am going to select the default one, free tier. Okay, if anything, if you will change apart from this free tier, then the billing will be started and you will be charged. So keep in mind, key pair something you have to create here. So that is required. So we'll show you how to create a key pair. So key pair basically helps to log into the instance. So by default it is disabled, the password setting. So it's like basically combination of your public key and private key. So we'll show you how to create the key pair. So click on a create key pair. You can give the key pair name. So we'll give something AWS underscore login. Okay, and we'll go with a by default. Okay, and click on a create key pair. So as soon as you click key pair, it is downloaded in your download location AWS login prem file. Okay, network setting I'm not going to disturb in this video. I'm leaving the by default. Okay, and here you can see the configuration of storage up to 30 GB you can extend. So I'm leaving the by default. In a free tier you can get the up to 30 GB. And as soon as you're done, you click on a launch instance. So you can see the launch instance getting creation is getting done. Once the instance will create done, we'll go to the EC2 location. As of now, once you click here, it is pending, right? So let it come. Once it is come running mode, then only you try to access. Okay, so meanwhile what we'll do, we'll download the software from where you can access the particular instance. So for that we have to either you can go with the putty, and either you can go with the MOBA Extreme. So MOBA Extreme something I have already downloaded here, and for you just go to the Google, search for MOBA Extreme and come to the download and download this MOBA Extreme Home Edition 24.3 latest version installer edition. You can click on that and go with the screenshot, and it will install the MOBA Extreme. So let me search in my machine and try to open the MOBA Extreme because I have already downloaded. I don't want to waste time to download the software. Okay, so meanwhile my mobile extreme is enabled. We'll go and see here the status of EC2 instance. It is still showing the pending. Now you can see it's supposed to be running. Now you can see that it's running. So you can click on instance, and here you will get the all the details, right, with the instance information. A lot of settings you can see here. Here we have the IPv4 public IP, and here we have the private IP. Now what we'll do, we'll try to connect this instance through the outside, like through the putty. If anyone using the Mac OS, then they have the terminal, and either you can go with install this MobiX. Okay, here you MobiX, you have to click on that SSH and give the remote host. So we'll give the IP address. We'll copy the IP address and we'll give. Okay, specify the username. So we have installed the Ubuntu. So in this case, by default it is username will be Ubuntu. Okay, and advanced setting, you can use this private key. So whatever this key pair we have created, and you can go to your download location and select this key pair. Okay, and click on OK. Once you click on OK, it will ask you to accept the terms. Once you're done, you can see here you are here connected to the EC2 instance. As you can see here, the IP address, which will show you the private IP address 8.92. So you can see here 8.92 we have connected. Now what we'll do, we'll try to update the packages and all. Okay, so let me do that. For that, you can see here, if you do the who am I, it will go give you the I am the Ubuntu, right? So you can see I am able to access the instance. So you can go the root user also, sudo su hyphen, so it will go to the root user, right? So update the package. If anything you install, update the package. So if you are in a root user, no need to type the sudo directly. You can update the apt, and you can give the update. It will update all the Ubuntu packages, latest packages. Okay, so it will take couple of seconds to update the package, right? Now it is going to update. So let me pause couple of seconds and we'll connect again. Perfect. So now you can see here we have packages is updated. We have updated the latest packages and able to access the EC2 instance. What now we'll do, we'll create deploy a application on this instance. So I'm going to deploy the Jenkins application on this particular EC2 instance. So before the Jenkins, we have couple of prerequisites to do the things. So for that, Java you need to update. So what we'll do, we'll install the Java on this EC2 instance. So we'll install the Java apt install open jdk so we'll install the Java. It is asking it will increase the space, so okay, you give the yes, and it will take couple of seconds to get it, couple of minutes to get the Java installed. So we'll come back once the Java will install. Perfect. So Java, okay, so you are able to see, right? So go to this Linux, Ubuntu Linux, okay, and come this page, and here you can see Ubuntu, and go with the weekly release. Take this code, okay, copy and go to your terminal. Okay, paste it. So what it will do, it will start installing the Jenkins. Okay, it will take couple of minutes to get it installed. Let it done, then we'll come back again. Perfect. So you can see Jenkins is installed. Okay, so we'll check the status. System CTL status Jenkins, whether services is running or not. So perfect, our services is running, right? Now what we'll do, we'll try to connect this whatever this Jenkins application we have deployed on EC2 instance, whether we are able to connect through the internet outside or not. So then only you will identify whether your deployed application Jenkins running able to access or not. So go to your browser. Okay, and hope you are able to see. So for Jenkins you need to connect, copy this IP address. Okay, I will show you how to connect. So http // give the IP address. Okay, and for Jenkins default port is 8080. Okay, try to hit enter and let's see what it is saying. Hopefully it will not connect, it will get the error. I will tell you why. So it will not connect. It is not connecting, right? Why? Because port is not accessible. So for that, what you have to do, go to your EC2 instance. Okay, this is your EC2 instance. Here we have lot of things which we are not going to discuss today, which you need to see. This I was trying to access this, right? It is getting error. So why? Because port is not enabled. What port is you are using, 8080, is not enabled. So go to the EC2 instance, come to security. Okay, and here you can see a lot of things you will discuss in later class, but you can see the inbound and outbound traffic, right? So what we'll do, we'll change the policy here. Let me maximize this, right? So you can see here we have the inbound and outbound traffic, right? So edit the inbound rules, click on add custom TCP, give the port. Okay, 8080. Okay, and you have to select the anywhere. Okay, and save these rules. So what it will do on your EC2 instance, it is enable the port 8080. So now if you come here on your instance, now you are enable. So now we'll try to access the Jenkins again. Let's see what it is saying. We'll give the again HTTP. We'll give the IP. Okay, :8080, and we'll see whether we are able to access or not. Let's see. You are able to access the Jenkins. It is giving you the password. Okay, so what we'll do, give to this location and do the cat. Don't worry, we'll learn slowly, but you can give the cat. So what it will give, it will give you the password. You can take this password, okay, and try to access this, whether you are able to connect the Jenkins or not. See, you are able to connect the Jenkins. So congratulations, you have deployed the Jenkins on a EC2 instance, right? So this is the basic test. You guys also can create a EC2 instance okay, and deploy application called Jenkins. Make sure before applying the deploying the Jenkins, you have to be install the Java, right? That is the prerequisites. If you go to here, let me summarize today what we learned. So we have created the instance EC2, okay, and we have deployed the packages, update the packages for Ubuntu. Then we have installed the Java for deploying the Jenkins. So we have deployed the Jenkins, and finally we tried to access the Jenkins whatever we deployed through the public IP, right? So we are able to access the Jenkins application through the internet. So that's it for today. You guys also can do the same way, create a EC2 instance and deploy application Jenkins, and try to see if you are able to do or not. Let me comment, okay? We'll meet in next class with the different topic. Till then, bye bye, thank you, keep watching.